Are you wondering what $700,000 can buy you here in the beautiful city of Elk Grove? Well, we got a great video for you here today where we're going to show you 4 different model homes, all priced around the $700,000 price point. Show you every single layout of each of these model homes, and we got 4 of them for you scheduled for today. Stay until the end because the last model home is my personal favorite, and it has a lot more to offer at the $700,000 price point. We're gonna talk about 4 model homes, like I said, and they're gonna be across 3 different builders. So we got a very informative video for you here today, and I look forward to having you see each of these model homes, and each one has its pros and cons. So we're gonna talk about each one as we walk through the house. The first house that we're gonna look at is by Risewell Homes. It's called Cottages Plan 3502. It's 2,141 square feet, and the house is right behind me. Lot size is about 5,500. Let's show you everything that this house has to offer. This beautiful home, 2,141 square feet on a 5,500 square foot lot, is currently listed by Risewell Homes for $705,000. And as soon as you get into the house, you are welcomed by, of course, a lot of sunlight. What you have here on the left-hand side is basically a flex room, which is currently sort of modeled to be a home office, but this could, of course, very well be a guest room as well. And as you get in a little bit further, you have half a bathroom downstairs. This specific model home basically is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You have half a bathroom downstairs, and you have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. And coming further along the downstairs hallway, you're welcomed by big open floor plan. You have the family room on the left, and you of course have spacious kitchen and dining area on the other side. Tons of natural sunlight flowing in, especially through these big glass doors. And as you peek outside, you are welcomed by a covered patio. Also, big backyard because this home is situated on 5,500 square foot lot. So plenty of space in the backyard for you and your family to enjoy the sunny weather of California. Going on to the second floor, as soon as we get upstairs, you are going to be welcomed by the loft, which is big, spacious, sort of a second family room on the second floor. A lot of people use this as a home office, play area for their kids, or even for home theater. And on the other side, on the second floor, as soon as you get upstairs, you are welcomed by the big, spacious master bedroom. Plenty of space, plenty of sunshine in this primary bedroom. And let's get you a sneak peek into the master bathroom as well. You have double sink, standing shower, of course, the bathroom area, and most definitely the large, spacious walk-in closet as well. Like I mentioned, the square footage of the house is 2,141, 5,500 square foot lot, priced at $705,000. And let's get you to the other side of the second floor. Of course, the laundry room with additional shelf storage. You have the hallway full bathroom, and very conveniently, you have the other 2 nice sized bedrooms very close to the hallway bathroom upstairs. This makes it a total of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,141 square feet, listed at $705,000. Here is our second model home tour by KB Homes. It's 1,824 square feet on a 5,000 square foot lot, 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, priced at well below $700,000. This specific one is listed at $630,000. It's a single-story home, 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 630,000, 1824 square feet on a 5,000 square foot lot. Let's take a look inside. You have the 2-car garage on the side. You have one of the bedroom windows looking onto the main road. And then you have the entrance to the house on the side. Like I mentioned, 1824 square feet plan by LiKg&x Homes. As soon as you come inside, you are welcomed by a sort of a L-shaped hallway. On the left-hand side, you have your 3 bedrooms and a hallway bathroom here, which we'll show you in a minute. And then you of course have your open floor plan here with the living room and kitchen being next to each other. Pretty spacious, and LiKg&x Homes does do a good job putting good touches on the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, cabinetry going up to the ceiling. And you of course have space for a dining table here. And then as you look outside into the backyard, you are welcomed by a small, but it does have a covered patio. The lot size, like I said, is about 5,000, so it might appear a little bit smaller in the video. But hey, it's a 630,000 price home, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and it is a pretty good deal given where prices are in the city of Elk Grove. Let's take you inside the primary suite. Very spacious, plenty of space to move around the bedroom. You have a standing shower, bathtub, double sink, and of course a walk-in closet. Let's take you back to the front of the house to show you the other side, where they have the other 3 bedrooms and another bathroom, and with of course the laundry room with additional storage options. Turning around the corner here, you're welcomed by another L-shaped hallway where you have the laundry room with additional shelf storage up on the top, one of the bedrooms here. And as we step outside of that, we turn left, you see the 2nd bedroom that is on this side of the hallway. And then you have the hallway bathroom. And you're welcomed into the 4th bedroom that this house has to offer. Again, 1824 square feet, single floor or a single story home. 1824, $630,000 by LiKg&x Homes. We are at our 3rd model home now. This one is by Lennar Homes in the sub-community called Harmony. The square footage of this house is 2018, about 5,500 square foot lot. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and about 2,018 square feet, listed at $675,000. Here's a look at the exterior of the house. Pretty spacious. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in 2,018 square feet. Community name is Harmony, Arbor Ranch by Lennar Homes in the beautiful city of Elk Grove. Let's get you inside. Once you're inside the house, as soon as you enter, you have the 1 full bedroom right next to the entry door. You of course have a closet, and as you make yourself through, you are welcomed into the full bathroom that is located downstairs, making it a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom downstairs. Further along, you are welcomed into the open floor plan where you have the living room, you have the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, a lot of cabinetry as well. And as you peek into the backyard, again, covered patio to enjoy the sunny weather. Lennar Homes have been building homes here in the beautiful city of Elk Grove for a while now. Here at Arbor Ranch, in the master plan community. They have 4 sub-communities. This is one of the sub-communities that we're touring today, which has the 2018 square feet model home that you're seeing right now as our 3rd model home tour. Upstairs, you have the large loft, and immediately next to the loft, you have the primary bedroom, plenty of space, plenty of sunshine, and obviously the attached bathroom. Plenty of space in the walk-in closet as well here. This is the largest, I would probably say, the walk-in closet I have seen around this price point. Here is the 3rd bedroom of the house. Next to that is the laundry room. Back to the loft again. And then into the 4th bedroom, which is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. And then adjacent to it, you have the hallway spacious bathroom as well, making it a total of 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, 2018 square feet on about 5,500 square foot lot by Lennar Homes, listed at $675,000. We are now at our last model home tour for today, and this is my personal favorite. This one is also by Lennar Homes, 2179 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, listed at about $710,000. 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms. Let's show you everything that this house has to offer. Lennar Homes here at Arbor Ranch is building a lot of homes. This is part of their master plan community at Arbor Ranch. This specific community is called Harmony, and they have plenty of options in the other 3 sub-communities as well, but those are priced a little bit higher. This specific home is about around $710,000, 2,179 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms. This is my personal favorite because at this price range of about $710,000, you do not get 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. So we're gonna get you inside and show you what Lennar Homes has to offer as part of their 2179 model home. As soon as you enter this specific model home, you're welcomed by the spacious open floor plan, and plenty of space here in the family room, and of course the kitchen. Plenty of sunlight flowing in through the large windows that this house has. Before we get upstairs, let's show you the downstairs full bathroom. Looks like a little camera angle issue there. And going into the 1st bedroom here with the closet, currently situated as a home office, but this basically is a bedroom since it has a window and also a closet in there. Let's get you to the 2nd floor. As soon as you get upstairs, you are going to be welcomed by the open space here called the loft. We just saw 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom downstairs, and we're going to show you the primary suite that is located upstairs, which is this, the master bedroom with attached full bathroom. Plenty of space here as well. This does not look as big as of a bathroom that we saw in the model just prior to this 2018, but spacious enough for the square footage. Out back into the loft, going to the other side of the hallway upstairs, you're welcomed by the 3rd bedroom of this house. And here you have the hallway full bathroom. And here is the 4th bedroom located as part of this floor plan. And of course the laundry room. Again, this one is 2179 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, listed at about $705,000 to $710,000. by Lennar Homes. Well, this wraps up our video for today. Hope you have enjoyed getting to know the different model homes that we showed you as part of the $700,000 price point. There was one single family home that we visited. Other than that, the other 3 homes that we saw were all 2-story homes. All 4 of these homes are in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove, which is one of the fastest growing zip codes, and a lot of new construction is also located at. A lot of new commercial development happening as well. All schools, elementary, middle, and high, through these communities is ranked 9 and above. And overall, the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove is very prominent when it comes to school rating, safety of the neighborhoods, or any commercial development or new activity that's happening. As an example, a lot of the new retailers like Costco, Safeway, Walmart, Target, and many other restaurants as well are all within walking distance to maybe 5-minute drive time. So a lot of activity is happening specifically in this zip code. My name is Sandeep Singh. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video until the end. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are looking to move to Elk Grove or buy your next house in this beautiful city, please consider giving us a call at 408-621-7329. My number is in the description of the video. We help clients every year move into this beautiful city and help them buy their family a brand new home, also leveraging all of our experience that we have accumulated over the years by working with a lot of clients. So give us a call. My number is in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon.